What's up, world? Welcome to the Tillman brand. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Today we're making homemade washing powder. The ingredients that we're using is soap, Arm & Hammer baking soda, laundry booster, super washing soda, borax, Purex crystals, and OxyClean. Stay tuned.
So the first thing you want to do is put in your Zolt. Now you can get all these items from Walmart and they're less than $24, everything. They sell the bars of Zolt. However, they also sell it already in flakes. And this is good because if you bought the bar of Zolt, you would have to use a cheese grater to grate it. So it's already like this. Huh?
I said, that's why you have about cheese grater in there.
So you're gonna pour that in there. Oof, smells good though. And then you're going to, or you want to open up the borax? Now be careful because when you pour it in, a lot of the dust comes up. Okay, you're going to go ahead and pour in your borax, but like I said, be very careful. And after the borax, you're going to pour in your baking soda. This is the same baking soda that people keep in their refrigerator, but it's a bigger box. So, yes, it's the same. After you pour that, you're going to pour in your washing soda as well. So your washing soda is very similar to baking soda, but it's for washing clothes, period. And then your OxyClean. You can use OxyClean or you can use Awesome. I like OxyClean, but it's your choice. Okay, and now last but not least, your crystals. This is optional. If you want to kind of get a boost of scent, you can use crystals or any type of laundry beads looking things. Okay, so once all of that is done, you're going to mix very well. You can use a paint stick, you can use any type of ruler, or you can use your hand. I asked my husband to use his hand because I honestly love to see him using his hands and his arms. So now that everything has been mixed properly, we're going to transfer it to our container. We're going to keep our washing powder in here. Be careful, babe. Smells so fresh. Alrighty. And this is our washing powder that we're going to use for our laundry. What do you think, Boo?
I think it's gonna work out.
Yes, and we know exactly what's in it. Okay, so we just finished washing a load of clothes using our new homemade washing powder. And so Earl is about to smell it. We didn't put any fabric softener. We only used the washing powders because we really want to see and show you all like how well it works. Okay.
Smell real good. Got a real clean smell to it.
Okay. So you think it's a winner?
It's a winner.
So we are saving money. High five. Yeah.
Yeet.
So guys, it works. I'm telling you. You're gonna save money in the end. You're gonna save money in the end. And you're going to be able to take pride in knowing that you made something that you and your family can use. So if you're going to try out this product, go over to your nearest Walmart or to your nearest dollar store and buy the ingredients to make this homemade washing powder. And let us know how you like it. You may like it, you may not like it. I don't know. If you prefer to continue to use Gain and Tide and those other expensive brands, that's your business. If you choose to make it, let us know. Join the homemade team. Until next time, this is the Tillman brand. We love you all to life. Peace.